How are you doing it? I tell you people, I drink water and I mind my business. But you people do not believe me. I have come again here to tell you, drink water. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluwajoba. If it's your first time here, welcome. Please consider subscribing and joining the family. And if you end up enjoying this video and you found it helpful, please hit the like button and leave your comments in the comment section below. Please don't forget to share this video with anyone on your WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, everywhere. Please share and let's increase the family. Please show your girl some love. All right, let's dive into this video. I'm going to be telling you how I keep my foundation on longer. Yeah, I'm going to give you like some tips and tricks that has helped me over the years to keep my foundation application and basically my makeup better, but especially your foundation. So if you want to know how to keep your foundation on a lot longer, then definitely keep watching this video. All right, so the first point I would say today is hydrate. I cannot overemphasize, or I cannot say it enough. And when I mean hydrate, I'm talking about drinking water. Guys, drink water. I usually say that when people ask me that, how your skin is glowing, how are you doing it? I tell you people, I drink water and I mind my business. But you people do not believe me. I have come again here to tell you, drink water. Hold on, let me drink water. Guys, always drink water. I drink about 3 liters. Yeah, on a good day I drink more than 3 liters, but on a not so good day I drink about 2.5 liters of water every day. You need to drink water medically, everythingly, emotionally. Guys, I'm serious. Hydration is one of the most important things in your skincare routine, in your makeup routine, in your skin, taking care of your skin and your body and everything. It helps you internally as well. So hold on. To the good life. Yeah, so you need to form a habit of drinking water every time. At least drink 1 liter, 2 liters. Try to drink water every day. The more water you drink, the better your skin. The thing is that when you drink a lot of water, or when you drink enough, let me not say a lot of water, when you drink enough water, your skin looks plump. Like it has this plumpy feel, such that if whatever you put on it, it receives it better. It receives it very well. It's not dry, it's not flaky. Just what I'm saying. So if you are watching this video, because I was like that, I used to drink at least some 4 years ago. I didn't used to drink water consistently. I just started doing that like some 3 years ago. Yeah. So if you are watching this video, I've been there before. Please try to get a bottle. It might not be anything fancy, just something plain like this. Just put water in it and carry it everywhere you go. That way you are able to properly monitor your water intake. It is very important if you want your makeup to last longer, if you want your foundation to last longer, and if you want your skin to be receptive of whatever you put on it to make it come out really nice, then you need to drink a lot of water. Let me say that again. You need to drink enough water, because it's not also good to overhydrate. So hydration is key, and that's the first thing I'm going to tell you in this video. All right, so the next one I'm going to mention in this video to help your makeup or your foundation last longer is to moisturize. Now this has to do with the outside of your skin. Hydration has to do with inside your skin, and this has to do with outside your skin. I need to mention that no matter what your skin type is, you need to use moisturizer. If you have dry skin, well, you need a lot more moisturizer. If you have sensitive skin, you need moisturizer. If you have oily skin, I know that there's this presumption that because I have oily skin, I don't need to moisturize my skin. Please, public service announcement: if you have oily skin, you need to moisturize your skin. The reason is that if you don't, what your skin or your body does is it produces more oil in the bid to make up for not moisturizing your face or your body. So instead of increasing the oil production on your face, you want to properly moisturize your face so that your skin doesn't have to produce more oil to, to make up for not moisturizing your face. Just as I'm saying. So whatever skin type you have, please ensure that you get the right moisturizer. I have 3 moisturizers here. One of them this is for combination to oily skin. If you guys can see, this is for combination to oily skin, and this is for normal. This is for normal to, you guys can see as it's written on it. They look the same and they're for Mary Kay. Yeah, so they look the same, but they are both for different skin types. Just what I'm saying. So ensure that you get the moisturizer that suits your skin type. And if you have sensitive skin or acne prone skin, this is another one that I can recommend for you to buy. This is what it looks like out of the packaging. So the reason why I'm showing you all this is so that you will know that moisturizers, it is not one size fits all. It depends on the kind of skin that you have, and once you are able to detect the kind of skin that you have, then it is easier for you to get the moisturizer that suits your skin. That way, that moisturizer works perfectly for your skin. I'll leave the links to where you can get this moisturizer if you're interested in these ones. I'll leave them in the description box below. Remember, the first part I mentioned was hydrate. Drink a lot of water and mind your business. And the second point is moisturize. Always moisturize your skin. The third point I'll mention in this video is when you're applying your foundation, always make sure that you apply it evenly. Like, it is not patchy, it is not cakey. Yeah, always make sure that you apply it evenly. Whether you're using your foundation brush or whether you're using your beauty blender, make sure that you're applying it seamlessly. Do you understand what I'm saying? And don't forget, in a patting motion, whatever you're using. So once you make sure that your foundation is flawlessly applied, don't leave space or leave room here. You apply your foundation and there's a mark here that distinguishes your neck from your face. You don't want that. Make sure that your foundation is properly applied. You apply it is evenly distributed on your face. Once that is done, then you know that you are on your way to getting a long-lasting foundation application on your face. You understand what I'm saying? Remember, the Bible says that if foundation is destroyed, what can the righteous do? Guys, it applies here. Because if I'm applying my makeup and my foundation is destroyed, what can a woman do? So make sure that your foundation application is seamless and is evenly distributed on your face. Yeah? Alright. The fourth point I'm going to mention in this video is use the appropriate foundation and use the appropriate primer for your face. Guys, with primers, just like moisturizers, there's no one size fits all. Depending on the kind of skin that you have, you need to buy the corresponding primer or the corresponding foundation. You guys know that we have mattifying foundations, we have oil controlling foundations. Depending on what your skin type is, you need to get that foundation that corresponds with your skin, because it doesn't make any sense for you to have dry skin and be using an oil controlling foundation. I mean, like, do you understand what I'm saying? So make sure you buy the right foundation for your skin. If you are not sure, if you go to your to the counter top where you're going to buy the foundation, you can ask the attendant there. I'm sure they'll be able to help you. And if you need my help, you can just leave a comment in the comment section below and I'll see how I can help you with that. But yeah, so I have two primers here. This is from Fenty Beauty. I absolutely love this foundation. I use this foundation for my clients. I use it for myself as well, and I absolutely love it. The reason why I want to show you is so that you know that there are different types of foundation primers. This is the mattifying primer. This is the hydrating primer. Can you see? So for something like this, they do different things. Just what I'm saying. So my point is, go onto a countertop where makeup is being sold, a place that you trust, and If you're not sure what to buy, tell the attendant there that you are not sure what your skin type is. By the time he or she asks you some questions about how your skin is feeling and how your skin reacts to certain things, you guys will be able to conclude on the type of skin that you have, and then you can get corresponding products that will suit your skin. But you can't have a flawless foundation application, or you can't have your foundation last long if you are using the wrong product. Technique matters, but most importantly, the products that you use, they go a long way as well. So don't forget, use the right product. So the last point I have for you guys in this video is to never use handkerchief to wipe your face when you have makeup on. I know some people are watching me and are like, what's this one saying? A lot of our aunties are mothers. In fact, I can say that my mother, when she was alive, was guilty of this. Don't use a handkerchief or a towel or whatever you want to use. Don't use it on your face when you have makeup on. The reason is that by the time you use that by the time you use that towel or that handkerchief on your face, a part of the makeup of the foundation leaves with the towel. I'm sure you know what I'm saying. You know, when you go for Owambe, our Owambe in Nigeria, you go for a party and you have danced, and everywhere is sweaty. The next thing, in the bit that you are dabbing it with your what's it called? You are dabbing it with your handkerchief or towel. No. Because once you do that, your foundation leaves and it becomes a bit patchy. So what you want to do is, if, for example, you are going about your day and you realize that you start sweating a bit, note what I said, a bit. All you need to do is go in with a tissue paper. So whenever you are going out, you can always put maybe not a roll, like something like this in your bag, or buy those fancy one. If you can't buy those fancy one, please just carry this one. Nobody has time for anything. So once you notice that you start oiling out a bit as your day is going by, just take a sheet of toilet paper or tissue paper, like we say, and go this way. It would suck up the oil that you have on your face. Now, you can use a blotting paper as well. A blotting paper is a cosmetic paper that has been made for this purpose. But if you cannot afford or you don't have a blotting paper, a tissue paper will also work. Do you understand what I'm saying? So what you want to do is just dab like this, just a little bit, and look at the tissue paper, and tissue paper will soak up the oil on your face. If, on the other hand, you are going by your day and maybe you went for an Owambe and you've danced, or you went for a party or you went clubbing and you've danced, you are so sweaty, what you want to do first, guys, is cool off. Go to a place where maybe there's a fan or there's an AC, or you go outside where you have some sort of air blow on you. Yeah, and then when the sweat reduces a bit, you can then go in again, just like I explained the other time, with a sheet of tissue paper, and then you blot out the oil on your face. And then you can, once you've seen that you are rid of the oil or the sweat on your face, you can then go in and touch up with your powder. If you don't try to take out the oil first and you want to reapply or you want to touch your makeup, it's going to be patchy. So what you want to do first, like I said, is, depending on the situation, if you are too oily or too sweaty, go to a place, go near the AC, go near the fan, or just go outside and let air blow on you. Once it reduces the amount of sweat that you have on your body, you go in with your tissue paper and just blot. And this is how I did it. Can you see? Yeah, just gently blot out the this thing that you have on your face. And if you think that you need to reapply your powder, then you go on and reapply it on your face. That works every time. works every time, works every time. So these are the tips that I have for you in this video. If you have tried any of these tips before and you know that they worked for you, please let me know in the comment section below. If you haven't tried anyone but you didn't know and then you realize that in this video that, oh, I actually needed this tip, also leave it in the comment section below. Let me know that this video was actually helpful to you, and please share this video with mommy, daddy, auntie, so that they will stop using handkerchief to dab their faces. You understand? And also share it on every platform that you can share it on. Thank you so much, guys, for always hanging out with me. I do not take it for granted. Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and like this video if you did enjoy it, and leave your comment, like I said, in the comment section below. Thank you so much once again, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Jesus loves you. Bye.